Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious fruit skewers. You can use any fruit you like, but today I'm going to be using rock melon, strawberries, apple, kiwi fruit and banana. First of all, you're going to wash anything that you're going to be eating the skin of. So for me that's the apple and the strawberries. Next, I'm going to remove the tops of my strawberries, making sure that I'm using a chopping board that has been secured with some damp paper towel underneath, and making sure that I am using a sharp knife. I'm just going to cut my strawberries in half. Then I'm going to take my kiwi fruit, and you can see that it is quite wobbly because it is round. So I'm going to try and make a flat surface to cut from. So I'm going to cut off the top and the bottom. So now I have a stable surface to work on. And then I'm just going to cut the skin off, following around the shape of the kiwi fruit all the way around until I have no skin. And I'm just choosing to cut mine into fairly thick slices. Then I'm just going to take my apple. Again, I want to use a flat surface, so I'm going to cut the side off so that I have a flat surface and just cut them into the shape that I want. The rock melon is also quite wobbly, so I'm also going to find a flat surface and I'm going to cut that in half. And then, like the kiwi fruit, I'm going to carefully cut the skin off following the shape of the rock melon until I have no more skin. I'm also going to scoop out the seeds in the middle with a spoon. And then I'm just going to cut those into the size that I want. The last fruit I'm going to prepare is my banana so that it doesn't go brown, and I'm just going to peel that and chop that into similar sized chunks to my other fruit. Once all my fruit is prepared, I'm going to take a skewer and carefully thread the fruit pieces on in any order that I like. Then you simply need to repeat this with all of the fruit until it's all threaded onto your skewers. I hope you enjoy eating your healthy snack.